As your business grows, you'll eventually face a big decision. Should I stay freelance or start building an agency? There's no right or wrong path, just the one that fits your goals, personality, and lifestyle. In this lesson, I'll walk you through the pros and cons of both models so you can decide where you want to go and how to get there. Let's start with freelancing. Freelancers typically work solo. You handle design, client communication, and project delivery yourself. It's lean, flexible, and a great way to start. Benefits of freelancing. Low overhead, you don't have to pay a team, more of your income goes directly to you. Total flexibility. Want to work at night, take a day off midweek? You can. Direct client relationships. You're the face of the business, which builds strong personal connections. Full creative control. Every decision is yours, no meetings about meetings. Challenges. You're trading time for money. If you don't work, you don't earn. You hit a ceiling. There are only so many hours in a day, and eventually you'll max out. You wear all the hats: sales, design, admin, client calls, it's all on you. Freelancing is ideal if you value independence, want to keep things simple, or you're just starting out and want to learn by doing. Now let's talk about the agency model. As an agency, you build a team and operate more like a company. You're focused on growth, systems, and delegation. Benefits of an agency. Scalability. You can take on more projects and bigger clients without burning out. Higher earning potential, more clients, more revenue, more impact. Focus on vision and strategy. You spend less time designing and more time leading. Sellable business. Agencies can become assets that grow beyond you. Challenges. More responsibility. You're managing people, projects, and payroll. Higher expenses. You'll need to invest in team members, tools, and systems. Less hands-on creative time. You shift from designer to leader. Complexity. More moving parts means more things to manage. Agencies are great if you're growth-minded, enjoy leading teams, and want to build a business that can scale and run without you. So, which is right for you? Ask yourself, do I love designing and working solo, or do I enjoy managing people and growing a team? Am I okay with earning less for more freedom, or do I want to build long-term equity in a business? Do I want to keep things simple or build something that outgrows me? You don't need to decide today. Many designers start as freelancers, then gradually build toward an agency when the time is right. And here's the best part. You're in control. You can change paths, evolve your model, or blend the two. Some of the most successful businesses are micro-agencies, small, agile teams led by creative founders. In the next lesson, we'll get into the nuts and bolts of legally setting up your business, whether you're flying solo or planning to scale. Let's keep going and make it official.